Hey guys, this is Tony DeMakos with Alliance Specialties and Laser Sales, and we're doing another Motivational Monday. And I'm here with Charlie Daniels from Wepco, and they're out in Connecticut. And I love this guy, and I know he's got something good for us.
So my motivational quote is from a famed leader by the name of Eddard Stark of Winterfell. And it goes like this: when the snow falls and the white winds blow, the lone wolf dies, but the pack survives.
I like it. So explain, why does that get you going so much?
Well, it's like when the going gets tough, the tough get going kind of thing. You can't do it alone. You need people around you, and it's always a lot of people like to go out on their own and do their own thing. But when things get hard, you need people around you. You need your team around you. You need your family around you. You need your community around you. So I think that rings true. From Westeros to Connecticut.
I can't say it any better. Thank you.